Let's cut to the chase. You're here because you want to build a faceless YouTube channel, go viral, and earn consistent income. And guess what? You can do it without fancy cameras, hiring editors, or spending hours on content creation. In this video, I'll show you how to use two powerful tools, InVideo AI for video creation and VidIQ for boosting discoverability, to create a game-changing YouTube channel. Spoiler alert, I've got exclusive discounts for these tools linked in the description. Imagine creating a viral YouTube video while sipping coffee or binge-watching your favorite show. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's called smart work with AI. Let's break down the appeal of faceless channels. Scalability. You can manage multiple niches simultaneously. Motivational content, tech tutorials, finance advice, or even cooking tips. Passive income. Once your videos are live, they work 24/7 to earn revenue through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Anonymity. No need to worry about how you look or deal with internet trolls commenting on your hairstyle. Seriously, if my hair could talk, it'd ask for a leave of absence after every recording. That's why I went faceless, and now it's thriving just like my channel. Examples of successful faceless niches. 1. Top 10 channels. Top 10 scariest places or top 10 tech gadgets are evergreen and attract millions of views. Motivational content, think daily affirmations or morning productivity tips. 3. Tutorials. How-to guides are a goldmine for teaching people valuable skills without showing your face. Step 1. Identify your passion and demand. Your first step is to pick a niche that balances passion and profit. If you love tech, dive into tutorials or gadget reviews. If you're more into lifestyle, motivational videos are your go-to. Step 2. Use VidIQ for validation. VidIQ helps identify trending topics, high-traffic keywords, and content gaps in your niche. For instance, let's say I'm exploring AI tools. VidIQ might reveal keywords like Best AI Tools 2024 or InVideo Tutorial. These insights ensure I'm creating content that's in demand. Step 3. Competitor analysis. Check what's already working in your niche. Use VidIQ's competitor analysis tool to see which videos are trending and what strategies you can replicate. Creating viral videos with InVideo AI, 2001-35 in the Euro. Step 1. Why InVideo? InVideo is your one-stop solution for professional video creation. Here's what makes it a game changer. Templates. Thousands of pre-designed options tailored for YouTube niches. AI automation. Convert your script into a fully edited video with visuals, transitions, and music. Media library. Access to royalty-free images, videos, and music. Step 2. Step-by-step tutorial on InVideo. 1. Choose your template. Start with a theme that aligns with your video's purpose, whether it's tech reviews, listicles, or tutorials. I went with the minimalist tech template because nothing says pro like keeping it simple and sleek. 2. Input your script. Paste your script into InVideo's editor. Pro tip: break your script into short, punchy sentences for better viewer engagement. 3. Customize visuals and audio. Add transitions, adjust colors, and select background music to match your tone. Example: for a motivational video, pick upbeat music. For tech tutorials, go for something modern and subtle. For export and upload, download the finished video in high resolution. And the best part? You can get started for less with my exclusive InVideo discount link in the description. Boosting visibility with VidIQ. Creating a great video is half the battle. The other half? Making sure people actually see it. You could have the best video in the world, but if no one finds it, it's like a tree falling in an empty forest. So, how do we make sure your masterpiece doesn't go unnoticed? That's where VidIQ comes in. Using VidIQ's tools for success. 1. Keyword research. Search for keywords with low competition and high traffic. Here's the deal. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, right after Google. So getting your video discovered means you need to play by the algorithm's rules. But don't worry, you don't need a PhD in SEO to crack the code. VidIQ's keyword research tool is like having your own personal SEO assistant. You simply type in a potential keyword, and VidIQ will show you related keywords, their search volume, competition, and even how often people are searching for them. Example: let's say you want to rank for AI video tools. Great choice. AI is hot right now. VidIQ might suggest related keywords like InVideo Review or Best AI Video Tools 2024, along with their search volumes and how competitive they are. Now you can focus on keywords with high search volume but low competition. giving you a much better chance of ranking higher. Pro tip: focus on long-tail keywords, those longer, more specific phrases. They might have lower search volume, but they're also less competitive, which means you're more likely to rank for them. For example, instead of just AI tools, try something like best AI tools for YouTube creators. 2. SEO optimization. VidIQ's Chrome extension grades your title, tags, and description for SEO. When it comes to YouTube SEO, it's all about optimizing your metadata, your title, description, and tags. VidIQ's Chrome extension gives you a score for these elements, so you'll know exactly what you're doing right and where you can improve. Imagine you're uploading a video about how to use InVideo. After writing your title, VidIQ will give you a score. If your score is low, it might suggest changes like adding keywords, making the title more concise, or even improving your tags. This feedback is invaluable and helps you rank better on YouTube. Keep your title short, sharp, and compelling. Think of it like the first line of a good sales pitch. For instance, instead of "How to build a faceless YouTube channel with InVideo AI, best AI video generator," you could shorten it to something like "Build a faceless YouTube channel fast with InVideo AI." It's concise, actionable, and still contains your keyword. 3. Analytics. Track your channel's performance and identify what's working. Here's where the real magic happens. Creating videos is one thing, but knowing why certain videos work while others don't is another. VidIQ's analytics give you deep insights into your video's performance. You'll know how many views, watch time, and subscribers each video is generating, and you can track your growth over time. Example: let's say you posted a video about AI tools and it performed well. VidIQ will show you what's driving those views. Was it the title, the keywords, the thumbnail? With this data, you can double down on what works and ditch what doesn't. Pro tip: always pay attention to audience retention. If people are clicking on your video but then leaving after a few seconds, you might need to work on your intro or make your content more engaging. With VidIQ, I'm not just throwing spaghetti at the wall. I'm serving a Michelin star meal to the algorithm. It's like bringing a 5-course dinner to a hungry guest. You know exactly what they want, and you deliver. 6. Monetizing your channel. Now that your videos are getting discovered and your channel is growing, let's talk about making money. Because let's face it, if you're putting in the work, you deserve to get paid. Ways to earn money. 1. AdSense revenue. First up is the classic, AdSense. Once your channel meets YouTube's monetization requirements, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning money from ads. But don't just focus on views. Focus on watch time and audience retention. The longer people watch your videos, the more likely YouTube will recommend them. Example: think of your YouTube channel like a TV station. The more people stay tuned in, the more money you'll make. So it's not just about getting clicks, it's about keeping viewers engaged. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to monetize your channel. Essentially, you promote a product or service, and if someone buys it using your special link, you earn a commission. Example: let's say you're making a video on how to use InVideo for YouTube. You can sign up for their affiliate program and drop your affiliate link in the description. Every time someone clicks and subscribes, you get a cut. For its digital products. Selling your own digital products is another fantastic revenue stream. You could create ebooks, online courses, or exclusive content for your audience. Example: let's say you're creating AI tutorial videos. Why not bundle all your knowledge into an ebook or course? Sell it to your audience who wants to dive deeper into the topic. It's a win-win. 7. Advanced tips for going viral. Master your thumbnails. Let's be honest, people judge a book by its cover, and YouTube is no different. Your thumbnail is the first thing a viewer sees, so make it count. Use bright colors, bold text, and high-quality images to grab attention. Tools like Canva or Photoshop are perfect for creating eye-catching designs. Think of it like this: if your thumbnail is a meh, your video is a no. But if your thumbnail is a wow, viewers will be more likely to click. Hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Your first 10 seconds are crucial. If you don't hook your viewers right away, they'll move on to the next video faster than you can say clickbait. Start strong with a compelling question, promise, or intriguing visual. Example: instead of a bland intro, try something like, "Want to build a faceless YouTube channel and make passive income?" Keep watching. Consistency is key. Post at least once a week. Consistency builds trust with your audience and shows YouTube that you're a dedicated creator. The more you post, the more likely you'll get discovered. Think of it this way. Your channel is like a TV show. If you want people to keep tuning in, you've got to be consistent with your content schedule. Don't leave your audience hanging. Fate conclusion. Start your journey today, building a faceless YouTube channel has never been easier thanks to tools like InVideo and VidIQ. You now have the roadmap, the tools, and even discounts in the description. The only thing left to do is take action and start creating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for exclusive links to InVideo and VidIQ. Let's start building your viral channel today. Thumbnail description. Main text. AI tools for viral videos. Background. A dynamic collage of InVideo and VidIQ dashboards with bold arrows, pointing to graphs, templates, and key metrics. Message. Professional eye-catching and emphasizes the AI-driven ease of video creation.